The spring ring is a retaining ring that secures the components of your rotary hammer's bit chuck. The ring snaps into a groove milled in the spindle. Over time, the ring can come loose, causing the chuck to come apart. Replacing the spring ring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the cap from the chuck. The cap is pressed onto the spindle. To remove it, I just pry it away. With the cap removed, now I can remove the spring ring. I'll pull the collar back and use a small screwdriver to pry the ring away from the spindle. Now we can install the new spring ring. To install the spring ring, I'll place it over the spindle and I'll use a screwdriver to carefully slide the ring over the spindle. Once it's over the front of the spindle, I then need to work it into the groove. And I'll finish by reinstalling the cap. The cap aligns with the spindle and then just presses into place. And now you know how to install a new spring ring in your rotary hammer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.